因为他的回忆里全是痛苦。Keep it。他老婆一直求我们能不能救救他。
It's very dangerous area。
我很怕，再一次帮错人。Hello， 大家好，我是林先生，我现在在叙利亚。天桥大叔这几天好像生了很严重的病，现在我准备去看望他一下。估计大叔生病这几天，他们家都没好好吃饭。给他带点烤鸡过去，这里一只鸡只要50块钱，算便宜点了。他们这里的炸薯条，说实话真的很好吃。搞定了啊，满满一大袋。因为去那个地方的路比较复杂啊，然后咪咪都特别过来帮我开车了。Thank you for driving for me.
Hello, how are you? No problem.
因为
It's for good.
As my translate. 现在往小路里开了啊，这个地方看起来就是错综复杂的。有车还好一点，如果没有车的话，可能很多小孩就围上来。里面的路实在太复杂了啊，没人带路根本就进不去。Hello， 他老婆来了啊，还有2个小孩。Hello， 怎么样啊你？然后有大哥在帮我沟通，就方便多了，不然这车都不好开进去。然后大哥非常的不放心啊，他说把车放在这里也会很危险，因为这里的人会比较乱。那他拿上鸡肉，上走吧，去看看。又到了这个。So is this a dangerous place?
Actually, it's dangerous when they see you have car or money. They will try to rob you. You smell this? Syrian people.
到大哥的家里。
Salam alaikum.
马哈巴。
Salam alaikum.
躺在那，不知道啥情况。马哈，还 OK？ Are you okay？ 马哈，怎么了？什么情况？什么情况
I love you.
I love you。然后流了很多眼泪啊！怎么了？别哭！OK。哈比比。咪咪哥现在在帮我跟他聊，但是我觉得马哈的大兄的状态会有点奇怪。
He have a 12 brother. He is number 12. Brothers die in a car accident at the same time. All his family at same time in this period of time of year. He get upset like this.
He keep crying.
Yes, his health go not so good now. Brothers die in a car accident, but his uncle died because of war. His wife telling me he is feeling very sad and upset for his family. It was have kids. He didn't tell me how many. They get shot in war too.
看多少心疼啊！他可能把我当成自己的孩子。
He is saying to his sister in Arabic, I promised you I won't go. But his sister died. His sister, I love you. His sister died on the war by false gunshot.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. He's saying to you, don't cry.
OK。哭成这样，我真的好心疼啊。
He keep crying. He stopped eating maybe for 2 weeks.
OK。
No money.
You don't want my money.
He don't want money from you. He only needs compassion. And he cannot go.
What's his work?
شو بيشتغل معه؟
كان يشتغل مع مهندس.
A worker in a plastic factory. But now
Last time I see he is back in the street.
no money.
No. 他把钱还给我。No. Keep it.
So Maher telling you he have money. He don't want money from you.
拿着，不要。
He give you money.
Okay.
He give you money because he thinking you came in taxi and you pay for the taxi, so he won't pay you back. It's smiling because I make a joke with him. Best beloved.
他一直要把钱给我，没事，拿着。OK.
Actually, those money is from him.
OK.
No money.
OK. 说他们家现在的情况是很需要钱的，但是他还是坚持把钱还给我。咪咪 ，I think this guy is drunk.
Smell it too, but he is drunk for not because it's a bad guy, but he remember what happened to him in war.
然后我觉得现在的状况啊，就是这个大哥现在可能是一个因为战后的问题，战争中失去的人越来越多，所以他是可能处于一个酗酒的问题。
For doctors and medicine and good life for about a month, you need around 300.
因为当地人的收入其实比较低的 ，so I think, later, this is 500. You give him his wife. Don't give him. I'm afraid he will take to.
Actually, that's maybe a lot of money, but you want to give them this money?
I feel bad for his things.
It's very generous because it's a lot of money.
Because Maha keep crying and feel very hurt.
Yes, it's good more than we give it to him because he won't take it because he don't want anyone to help him. He is really sad. And
Please, give him his wife. Okay, please do for me. Thank you. 那今天还好有他陪我进来，不然我也搞不清楚这事情的状况。我现在说实话，现阶段关于他们的事情了解的还是不够清晰。
now I asked him about his family. So he started crying. 13%. All of them died, but Maher survived the war. Actually, a lot of people in war make suicide. Actually, a lot of military people. So, and he was one of them. He only now trying to live for his family to provide to them money to they get better life. He trying, but every year in this time he get like this. He is looking down to his and he have only one daughter from another wife. He have 4 wives, but he sent to his mother to help her because her in 80 age. Listen,
然后我让咪咪再拿一部分钱给他。
he wants you as a friend. He don't.
Brother,
No money. No,
let me help you.
no money.
Let me help you.
No money. I love you.
I love you. 眼泪已经充斥了，只有哭泣了，因为他的回忆里全是痛苦。
He is saying if he take money, he will feel so bad.
不要哭了，不要，太难受了。来，帮你爸爸把钱拿着。
He gave the money to his children for you don't get upset from him because he
don't want
money from
money.
you. Now we should to go. It's not very safe. It's actually dangerous. We need to
因为
move before the sunlight goes out.
我能做的也就只有在抱抱你。马哈
I love you.
I love you. I love you too. I'm here. I'm here with you. I'm here.
I love you.
I love you. 一个快50岁的人，在我面前哭得泣不成声。
وعيات اولادي والله من زمان لا تحكي له.
يعني انت حاليا انت اللي بتصرفي على البيت ما؟
他老婆一直求我们能不能救救他。
فهمت عليك.
事情太复杂了。跟他老婆聊完，然后把一部分钱给了他老婆，一部分钱给了马哈尔，现在必须趁天黑之前离开这个区域。那今天关于马哈尔大叔的这个情况，也是属于有点意料之外了。So how do you feel about it?
I feel grateful for you, and I wanna thank you at the beginning. For what you're doing to my people and trying to help, but actually we have a lot cases like Maher who lost somebody dear on his heart, but actually it was drunk and they use alcohol to forget about it or to make them calm. In this area we go today, there is a lot like Maher. They have same stories because of war. It's very dangerous area, the area we go today.
Even for you?
Even for me, especially at night. Say somebody not from the area, even me, if I go there at this time, maybe I won't make it to the next day. So you need to be careful. Yes?
Oh my gosh.
And I want to tell you something, a little wisdom from me because I like you a lot. You don't involve with people drunk a lot. That's very dangerous.
So,
you don't know what's going to happen in the next minute. Somebody stay have injury, even the painkillers be good anymore. so they go back to alcohol.
我也很同情马哈尔的一些遭遇，但是我觉得他今天用酒精的一个状态，我会有一点质疑。Because when I see very strong drunk,
I smell it. It's not like the regular alcohol there is in Syria. It's very strong, stronger than vodka or whiskey or anything else. From my advice, you should to be careful, and especially they have a military background. They are training to fight, and maybe he will do something you won't be able to defend yourself, but not because he want to hurt you, but because he is too much alcohol. Maybe he will think himself go back to the war and act like this.
So you think he had heart disease or?
I don't think it was sick today. I think it was really drunk, heavy drunk.
Only drunk.
Yes, because I touch him a lot. There is no fever within him or anything, or even his voice is not different. And there is something I should tell you, because maybe he have a background military. You should don't take videos a lot for him and post it. Maybe it will be dangerous on you because you are a foreigner.
其实我现在的心情特别的复杂，一方面来说我很同情马哈尔大哥的遭遇，另一方面来说我的继续帮助对他是好是坏，其实我并不清楚这个事儿。我很希望给他希望，但我也很害怕我给的钱他是不是会拿去买醉。如果是这样的话，那我现在做的事情岂不是害了他？战争剥夺了很多人对生存下去的意志力。对于我来说，我提供给他的是一个工作的机会，你就应该用积极的工作的态度去回应我，而不是用酒精去消磨自己。我真的很难过，所以我决定这个事情我先想暂时放一放。如果他下次打电话过来是告诉我准备好要跟你工作了，那我也许我还会有一些下文。那如果他下次打电话过来告诉我这个麻烦或者那个麻烦，我会认为他并不是在做一件真诚的事情。我很怕再一次帮错人。如果接下来还会有更多的故事，那一定是在我反复确认之后，不能那么草率。如果有更新的进展，我再跟你们讲。那不要担心，一样还有很多好看的视频会给大家持续的放送。那么这期视频呢就到这里了，那么我们下期再见，拜拜。